In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch between amateur and professional modes in Artistly AI. First, log into your Artistly AI account and go to your dashboard. From there, click on Create a New Design to access the image creation screen. Next, when the creation panel opens, you'll see two main options, the Fast AI Image Designer and the Advanced AI Designer. If you choose the Fast AI Image Designer, this acts like the amateur mode. It's designed for quick and simple generation where you just enter a prompt and get fast results with minimal settings. If you switch to the Advanced AI Designer, this is your professional mode. Here you get more control over your output, including deeper customization of style, detail, composition, and overall image quality. After selecting your preferred mode, just enter your prompt and generate your design based on the level of control you need for your project. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.